drive a Hyundai Ioniq Hybrid, there is one tiny fluid reservoir under your hood that most people completely ignore, until it hits them with a massive repair bill. I'm talking about the clutch actuator fluid. If this fluid goes bad, turns cloudy, or starts rusting from the inside, your entire Hyundai clutch actuator assembly can fail. Ideally, you want to inspect this fluid every 30,000 to 50,000 kilometers just to be safe. Let me show you how to check it and do a quick flush before it becomes a costly problem. The spot for the clutch actuator tank is a bit tight on this car, tucked right away in the engine bay. Once you get your hand in there, twist open the cap to visually check the fluid. If your fluid looks dark, murky, or cloudy like this, it's past its prime and needs to be replaced. If you look right on top of the reservoir cap, it clearly states the car uses DOT3 or DOT4 brake fluid. Don't just rely on your eyes, though. Next, we're going to test it with a digital brake fluid sensor to check the water content. Over time, brake fluid naturally absorbs moisture from the air, which lowers its boiling point and causes internal corrosion. As you can see, our tester is picking up high moisture levels. Definitely time for a change. To get the old stuff out, I'm using a manual vacuum pump. Because the opening is narrow, you'll want to guide the clear tube carefully all the way down until it hits the bottom of the reservoir so you don't leave any dirty fluid behind. Give it a few good pumps to build up suction and watch it pull out all that contaminated, cloudy fluid. It takes a little patience in this tight space, but you want to make sure the tank is completely empty before we move on. Just to show you why we're doing this, let's do a quick side-by-side comparison. On the right, we have the old, cloudy fluid we just pulled out. On the left, fresh new brake fluid. The difference is night and day. One looks like dirty water, the other is crystal clear. Before we fill the car back up, I like to pour the exact same amount of new fluid we extracted into a small glass container. This ensures we don't overfill or underfill the system later. Because this reservoir is buried in such a tight spot, trying to pour straight from the bottle is a guaranteed mess. To fix that, I use a long, flexible funnel. It lets us reach right into the neck of the tank from a much easier angle. Slowly pour in your measured fresh fluid. Once it's filled to the correct level, carefully remove the funnel and secure the reservoir cap tightly. Take a second to check all around the tank for any drips or spills. Brake fluid can be corrosive to paint, so grab a clean rag or microfiber cloth and thoroughly wipe down the area so everything is pristine. And that is how you keep your clutch actuator happy and save yourself from a massive repair bill down the road. A little preventive maintenance goes a long way on these Ioniq Hybrids. If this walkthrough helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more DIY maintenance guides, and leave a comment below if you've checked your fluid lately. Safe driving, and see you in the next video.